Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Flying Skies welcomes you all. Flying Skies 1 provides you with videos of different product information, its price, its use, its quality, and my shopping experience. So today I'll be sharing with you the purchase that I have made in Shop Clues online. So it's Calvin Jones outfitters, slippers, flip-flops that I have purchased. Speaking of its quality, it's made of rubber material. The upper part and the sole part also is made with it. So you can see, as shown in the image, the straps are strong and its looks are amazing. They are fashionable and stylish. So you can use it at work or casual evening walks or even when you hang out with your friends. The price is also very less. It's worth buying this product. I have applied here prepaid 20, and you can, as shown in the picture, you can apply many more other offers while you check out on purchase. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.